Hey, hello Forex traders. Hello my newbies. Are you new in Forex? Who told you about Forex? How did you get to know about Forex? Oh, okay, you saw the big guys trading Forex and making a lot of money, buying Lambos, buying cyber trucks, buying the best cars, and you just want to live the flashy life? Well, you are not wrong. You know why you're not wrong? Because you mean well for yourself. You want to live a good life. You want to live a life where people will see you tomorrow and say, wow, that guy is making money. But if these guys who you are admiring and seeing as your role model tell you what they went through before they got there, you wouldn't believe it. So, in other words, what am I trying to say in a nutshell? Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. You must learn. Forex is not gambling. Forex is not betting. Forex is not something that you feel you can just add 1 plus 1 and you get answers. No, in Forex you must learn. Forex is a skill, and so Forex is like going to the university, and when you graduate from that university you start making money. I understand you want to start making money in dollars, you want to start making money in foreign currencies and all that, and that is why we are all here today. You are in the right platform. I am your king, Lebatano, and I want you to follow me if you must know the step-by-step prerequisites it takes to become a profitable trader. You are just on the right page and on the right track. So follow me, watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, follow my signals, okay? And I tell you, you'll be making money. But I'm not here to just show you how to trade signals and just get signals. So why are you a trader if your plan is just to be getting signals and trading? No, I want to teach you the rudiments of Forex. I want to teach you how those big guys generate these signals. I want to teach you what it takes to make wealth, to make money in Forex. So follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, go to my Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok, and let's get going. And you start making money in dollars. But I tell you, like I said earlier, we are going to take it step by step. You know why we're going to take it step by step? Because it is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you are one of those who say you want to learn Forex because you want to start making money today, well, I can teach you how to start making money today, but I tell you, on the long run, it might land you into a pit. It might sweep all your liquidity, your capital. So I tell you, sit down, relax. Let me take you on Forex. Let me take you on Forex from 001, from scratch to top. Okay? And you won't regret it. I am still your king, Lebatano. Let's move on, guys. Cheers.